If your laptop says so, it is best to replace the hard drive. First of all, open the machine and check it. Reattach the hard drive. If it doesn't work a few times, you should replace the hard drive. There are two cases. One is loose cable, and the other is dead hard drive. That's only two cases. This QR code tells you to scan 2 by the proper hard drive of the machine. You guys scan the QR code. It will sell hard drive products here. And now, I'm going to unplug it and replug the hard drive. See if it works. This is the Dell Latitude 5. It only uses the M2 drive. Only use a small M2 hard drive. It's like a prison bar. It doesn't have a big hole here. This drive alone is very expensive. You have to buy the right type. It's not just any plug. You just need to buy this one and change it. The machine will run the millet. Now, I'm going to reassemble it, not going to use the hard drive. Let's see how it errors. This is sure to still be the same error as before. Mijet. It's as bad as it was just now, proving that this is it. The hard drive is dead. Plug in the transodo es italiano. It also reports an error if it doesn't plug in the hard drive. The error message means that the hard drive is dead. If you want to replace the standard hard drive, you can